Getting started with Beanstack. Beanstack is the platform we use for our summer and winter reading clubs, and it allows you to log your minutes read and enter the tickets you earn from reading into prize drawings. At the time of the recording, we are gearing up for Summer Reading 2022, but these instructions should work for the current reading club going when you watch this tutorial. If you've already created a Beanstack account in the past, simply click the challenge you want to sign up for, click Sign In, and use your email or username and password to access your account. If you've forgotten either of these, follow the links and instructions provided on Beanstack. Otherwise, let's get started using Beanstack. Select the reading club you want to sign up for under Challenges. I will pick the only option available to me right now, which is Children's Summer Reading Club 2022. Click Register an Individual or Family. If you're brand new to Beanstack at our library, click No, since you haven't previously used it to participate in a reading challenge. If you're registering yourself, click I am registering myself. Since this is the Children's Reading Club, I will select the Adult Registering a Child option. However, the first part of the sign-up form is nearly identical to what you'll fill out when you register yourself. Enter all the information with a red asterisk next to it, keeping in mind that phone numbers won't have dashes and passwords must be at least 6 characters long. I will select Greenfield as my primary branch, but please pick whichever location you use the most. Fill out the rest of the form with your child's information. Choose whether you want to receive book recommendations for your child and click Next. I will click No to adding another child, but feel free to pause and register the rest of your children. If you want to register yourself, click Yes, which I will do. I will pick the options for adults from the drop-downs, 18 plus for age, adult for grade level, and adult not applicable for school. I will opt out of book recommendations by not checking the box and will click Next. If you want to add another adult, click Yes. I will click No. Now we are ready to use Beanstack. To log reading, click Log Reading in the top left corner. Use the drop-down menu to choose the reader to log for. You can use the Start a Reading timer to log your reading in real time, or you can simply log your reading minutes when you're done. I will click on Log Minutes. Then I'll select Sunday's date to put in the minutes I read that day. Title, author, and review submissions are entirely optional, so I'll just log 2.5 hours of reading by typing in 2H30M in the time spent reading box, and we'll click Log. And I've got an achievement for logging my first reading session in Beanstack. You can also see that green dot under the day I logged reading. This can be helpful in reminding you what days you have logged for. And now you're up and running with Beanstack. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to give us a call at area code 317-462-5141 extension 240.